Stop paying for Adobe Creative Cloud just to edit a simple PDF or resize an image. Seriously, stop. It's a waste of money. If you are looking for a way to edit PDFs, remove text or compress huge files without a paid subscription, you found it. Today, I'm going to show you a free AI tool that handles all of this in seconds. It runs in your browser. It's free and it's a total game changer for your workflow. Let's dive in. Let's download a PDF file as an example. Just type download PDF example into Google. It's very simple. We are going to use a platform called TinyWow. I love this website because it has zero complicated menus. It's just simple tools that work. Let's say you have a PDF invoice or a contract and you need to remove some text or change a date. Normally, you'd need Adobe Acrobat Pro for this. Not anymore. Click on the PDF editor. Upload your file here. Now look at this. Select the text tool. You can edit the text, change dates, add or remove things. You can move the text or change its color. It's that simple. Now, what if you need to add an image to this PDF file? In the same menu, you can use the Add Image button to upload your own logo or photo. Resize it, place it where you want. No layers, no confusion, just drag and drop. Once you've finished editing the file, you can download the finished file by clicking the download button on the right corner. Select the desired folder and download the file. Finally, the feature everyone needs: compression. High-quality PDFs are often too big to email. Go to the Compress PDF tool. Upload your edited file. The AI analyzes it and reduces the file size without killing the quality. I usually choose the medium file compression format. Look at this difference. We went from 1 MB and 200 KB down to just 400 KB. That is massive. And just like that, you edited a PDF and compressed it without opening Photoshop or spending a dime. I'll leave the link to this tool in the description below. If this video saved your time or money today, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe if you want to master more AI tools for free. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.